Okay guys, so I'm gonna be asking out if they are subscribed to Mr. Beast, and I'll give him a damn black. I'll give him one of my damn blacks from Brookhaven. So I'm gonna ask this guy. Hey, come, stop it. What? Stop it. I'm chasing you, you know? I'm chasing you. I'm faster. I said stop. I said stop it. Stop. I'm not invisible dummy. Stop. I said stop. Hey. No. Dumbass. I need to tell you something. Are you subscribed? Do you think I'm invisible? I said, are you subscribed? Okay, don't you? Are you looking? What the fuck are you looking at me for? I know you're looking at me, bro. You think I'm actually Mr. Beast. I am Mr. Beast. Don't you see the what? 2. What? Are you subscribed? Yes or no? It said yes or no. Yes. Here you go, buddy. Yeah, yours. And also this, buddy. Thanks. And there's your plaque. I'm gonna give you my plaque. Thank you for subscribing. I'm gonna ask out another person. Make sure you subscribe. Okay. Starting it. This is the next person. Dude, I can't even find a single person. Wait, okay, I'm just. Whose name is SpongeBob SquarePants 4? Spring Permit, Cake Located Bacon. Oh my god, so many players playing Brookhaven, but I can't even find a single. That's me, TVYT. That's my name. Sonic the Headshot. Oh my god, I'm gonna try to be the bacon friend. Mad to ask a friend. Oh, he says yes. Dude. I have like over 284 friends, bro. Jesus Christ. I have so many friends in my avatar account. I have so many friends in my avatar account, and I'm Mr. Beast. Okay? Trust me, subscribe to Mr. Beast. He's the best. What are you doing, security card? I'm not security card. See my hair. I know you see my hair. You know I'm not bald. You know that. Never mind. Should I take the hat out, guys? Oh damn! I look ugly. Do you think I'm Mr. Beast? Limousine. Check it in the pink comments, okay? And you can get your free Robux. Okay. Wait, Pro Spy number weighs 240. Oh damn! I'm gonna try to go fast. Oh yay! Oh man! Put my Lindsay away. Bro, what? I actually, you know, I'm gonna get this. Not a. Let me see. since I am rich, I get this. I just bought it. And you can explode it. And you can steal all the money. Instead, you can just open. The owner can open it? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, he can. But you can't. Whoever's not the owner, they can't. You have to explode to steal that money. That's what I have. And this pays like 20 Robux. It's like 20 Robux. Remember, if you want infinite Robux, check in the pink comments. Always remember that. So I'm gonna leave it in the comments. Wait, what? Who is that? Hello? Who are you, boy? Who are you, girl? Never mind. Sure. I want to eat a hot dog. Like a wiener. Oh, thank you. What? Hana.
Deja el teléfono ya. ¿No te querías hot dog anoche?
Huh? Okay, bro. So this is the end of the video. Make sure to check the pink comments for infinite Robux. Why?